Do I have examples of foods that can change my mood? Yes, of course. Well, a big one is a surprising one, which is cabbage that can actually make you happy. Well, cabbage is full of this vitamin called folate, which helps your body make serotonin, which is one of our good mood hormones. Yes, serotonin is used in antidepressants. Well, there's multiple ways that food can act on the brain. Firstly, there is the gut-brain axis, which is something that we're hearing a lot more about at the minute, and how your microbiome interacts with your brain, and also there's just lots of nutrients that you get through food, which also feed your brain. Do all foods have effects on the brain? Yes. Yes, we should have food prescriptions like medicine, and that's something that's being a lot more researched, especially with antidepressants. So being given certain foods that you should eat to treat certain mental illnesses, and there's a lot more research being done on that. But just for general well-being as well, you should eat, for instance, a wide variety of fruit and veg to help your microbiome, which then treats a lot of various diseases.